Mr. Jha, thank you very much for inviting me and the office bearers of the AIR PESA. मैंने एक 2009 में एक आर्टिकल लिखा था, उसका रिप्रोडक्शन डीएनए पेपर में आया था और आरपीएफ का कैसा लीगली एम्पावर कर सकता है और दैट इज बीन आई थिंक नाउ व्हाट मिस्टर रेड्डी वाज मेंशनिंग. मेरा रिटायरमेंट हो गया 1995 में आफ्टर 36 years of service. मेरा रिक्रूटमेंट हुआ आईपीएस में 1959 और 60 में महाराष्ट्र में आ गया. 1960 में बाइफर्केशन हुआ, महाराष्ट्र में आ गया और मेरा ट्रेनिंग हुआ था सोलापुर, उसके बाद नासिक एएसपी 4 वर्ष वही इन नासिक हो गई. उसके बाद प्रमोशन होके सांगली, फिर विदर्भा यवतमाल में गया, उसके बाद बॉम्बे सिटी में आ गया. 1972, 76 से मैं कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी डेपुटेशन गया और वहाँ से रिटायर होकर 1995 में वापस आ गया. उसके बाद लास्ट 20 years आई बीन रिसर्चिंग हमारा जो सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम है इंक्लूडिंग पुलिस, वो कैसा रिफॉर्म कर सकता है. तो लास्ट ईयर ओनली आई पब्लिश्ड अ बुक. आई वांट टू गिव अ गिफ्ट कॉपी टू द एसोसिएशन. दिस इज दैट नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एंड इंटेलिजेंस मैनेजमेंट एंड न्यू पैराडाइम. और दिस इज द आर्टिकल व्हिच यू आर मेंशनिंग. Before the police came, the railway police. It was in a magazine called Forward. Who Forward? Abhi, it is edited by Mr. M.J. Akbar, very famous journalist. And abhi BJP ka national spokesman is a good friend of mine. Abhi Sunday Guardian aa gaya. So this is the. I want to give it to Mr. Reddy. ये बुक में मेरा 98 से जो पब्लिश आर्टिकल हुआ और इम्पोर्टेंट लेक्चर बोथ इन इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड, इंक्लूडिंग व्हाट वी मेंशन ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, सिंगापुर वगैरह वगैरह सब है. अभी हमारा जो पुलिस सिस्टम है इट इज अंडर बिग क्राइसिस. आज आपने पढ़ा होगा और देखा होगा दैट 10,000 cases in Delhi have been postponed indefinitely because the policemen are busy with the African Sunday. वो, to me, it is not a common thing or it's not an ordinary thing. There is a human rights problem in this. ये 10,000 cases में बहुत under trial भी है. So, because there is no police available for taking them to the court, it is indefinitely postponed. किसी को इसमें there is nobody is bothering about it, but I strongly feel there is a human rights problem. ये कैसा हो गया? Traditionally, as I mentioned in my article, 1935 Government India Act में एक शेड्यूल था, सेक्शन 7 और शेड्यूल 7. उसमें पब्लिक ऑर्डर, पुलिस, रेलवे पुलिस and village police have been put under states. वो कैसा हो गया? आपने सुना होगा there were 3 round table conferences हमारा independence के पहले 3 round table conferences. The first round table conference was boycotted by the Congress. That was a very foolish step at that time. Second round table conference में महात्मा गांधी गया और he was the lone delegate from India. And third of course was not of any consequence. उसके बाद इन्होंने क्या किया? उनको मालूम हुआ कि minorities and Anglo-Indians and others and princes stop supporting Congress. So उनका कहना ऐसा है कि that the Congress is now weak. Let us do something to see that the so-called independent India, 1931 में, they were just trying to give some more power to the states wherever. So when I did a research on this, I found that it was something like a time bomb which was put in our system of registration. वहाँ उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ था? Muslim League did not want to have a strong center. So they said that we will not be safe if there is a strong center dominated by the Congress party. So we should have important powers of law and order and police in the states. British allowed it. उनका कोई objection नहीं था. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ उस टाइम पे the governors had overriding power. Governors could overrule the cabinet and do what is important. The viceroy also had overriding power. He could overrule the cabinet. So they were not bothered after 1935. हमारा जो constitution was being made, in fact that book is under, it is now under editing, it will be published soon. They copied the same Schedule 7. Why? Now things have changed and the governor has not been given an overriding power at all. Governor is just like a rubber stamp. He can only forward it to the president. So, in other words, even if the police is misused, even if there is no justice for the common man, it will go on. Now, every time there is a request from the RPF that we should get more power because we are directly responsible 2 crores or 3 crores of traveling public. Unka, government will just say, or state government will say, ये तो हमारा constitution है. But you have amended constitution 100 times by now. Can't you do this for public security? मेरा एक close relation वो बैंगलोर में रहता है, वो दिल्ली गया, वहाँ से उनको हरिद्वार जाना था. The train was early morning, at about 6 o'clock in the morning, it was winter time. वो ठंडी के प्लेटफॉर्म में. तो वहाँ जाके the young man, he was sitting there waiting for the train. So one very kind man came and said, बहुत ठंडी है, coffee पी लीजिए. He said, look, I make coffee, नहीं पीता. No, but still he insisted on giving him coffee. Now this fellow, he remembers only that he took one sip. Later he went unconscious. He was go. So, when he woke up, he found that he was in Gwalior. He wanted to go to Haridwar and he was going to Gwalior. क्या हुआ था? That this child was completely unconscious. उसको ये, the other fellow had pulled him and put him in a totally wrong train. He might as well have been dead also. He might as well. So, Gwalior train में किसी ने देखा कि that he is very fast asleep. Then they tried to wake him up and around that counter, there was no response. So they got him out in Gwalior में hospital में admit किया और 2-3 दिन के बाद होश आ गया. And then the kind doctor, he connected him to his wife. Fortunately, मेरा बैचमेट मध्य प्रदेश में फॉर्मर गवर्नर था, वो भोपाल में रहता है. उनके इंटरवेंशन में ट्रीटमेंट वगैरह अच्छा हुआ. अभी दूसरा local people say that you have to report a case to the police. The Delhi police said, come back to Delhi. He said, I'm not prepared to come to Delhi where I was to. He went back to Bangalore and then when I did some research, I found thousands of such cases have not reported at all because of this. That you are traveling from Bombay to Madras, your luggage is lost somewhere else. Can you come back to Mumbai and then where you can complete? Or I am in a big hurry to go to Chennai. I want to go to my home. So this is the whole problem with this coming, the railway GRT coming under 29 states, 7 union territories, etc. So, इसलिए now see here, I'll tell you 2-3 instances where the government finally did the reform. मैं जब डिप्टी कमिश्नर स्पेशल ब्रांच के यहाँ स्पेशल ब्रांच 1973. Whenever Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister, used to come, I was in charge of the protection. That is, special branch, we had a squad of people who used to protect them. क्यों? Whenever the government of India used to say, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए for the security, the Commissioner of Police said, don't tell us all those things. The crime and law and order is under my control. You are not able to come and tell. So I think people will sit quiet. But that was not adequate. The state police protection was not adequate as is revealed in Delhi. Mrs. Gandhi was assassinated when she was being protected by the Delhi police officers. Delhi police officers themselves killed her. So then, afterward, drastically, personal protection of VIP changed law. Special police SPG was brought in, and then that means that when SPG comes, you are actually going to the state and then intervening into their legal power. So, why did you allow that? Similarly, there is another instance. 1972 में जब बॉम्बे सिटी में आया, तब there were only 4 deputy commissioners. अभी there are 10 zonal deputy commissioners, 32 deputy commissioners. मेरा police का Julie Rivero, we were only 4 of us. मेरा jurisdiction था from Bandra to Borivali, 2 jails. Our Santa Cruz airport was a small one at that time. International, domestic, वहाँ से it would take off like that. So the airport chowki, it was only a chowki in the airport. They were doing the what they call in those days we used to call it anti-hijacking squad. अभी तो airport security वगैरह सब हो. So तब in 1972 we used to send all unwanted police people to the airport security. So you can understand now what is the level of security. क्योंकि ऐसा है कि अच्छा जो ऑफिसर है वो पुलिस में जाएगा और जो अनवांटेड है वो आम पुलिस में जाएगा और एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी में जाएगा. तो दो लॉट ऑफ द आईबी डिप्टी डायरेक्टर मिस्टर राजेश वेरी वेरी नॉन राजेश यहाँ आए थे और ही ट्राई टू टेल यू people cannot manage. Airport security is something very, very, very professional. Why don't you hand it over to CS? No, nothing. It is our job. Law and order and security within the state of Maharashtra is our job. So that is not agreed upon by the top police officers nor by the government. 1990 में क्या हुआ? You had IAC hijacking. Overnight it was handed over to CIS. So what does it mean? That Indian system will learn only after crisis. Abhi I have now the same thing applies to RPF also. See, if you do not, the problem is as you rightly said, the convenience of 2 or 3 crores of public, traveling public, who are actually, we should be so careful about their security and their well-being. There is nothing at all. There is no question of there being a convenience or anything. Like how my relation was asked to come back from Bhopal to Delhi to lodge a complaint and lodge करने के बाद भी there is no question of direction or anything. Why should we go? So this is the problem with our Indian system is. So this book contains so many of my suggestions regarding security, intelligence. जो पुलिस रिफॉर्म्स अभी जो है उसमें there is no qualitative improvement in the police at all. Now, what is the system in other countries? I just briefly mentioned ये railway police कैसा how it came like this. Now, in you all know that 1853 Mumbai to Thane railway 1867 Allahabad Jabalpur railway. उस जमाने में the total railway line was only 6,400 kilometers. Now it's about 63,122 kilometers, 2-3 crores passengers. इतना हो गया. 1861 में Police Act was passed. So because at that time the police in the British presidency, was forget about the princely state. इतना disjoint policing था. In some places it was under the magistrate, in some places it was under the professional police officer. So British government ने ऐसा decide किया, we should have uniformity in the police. Now 1860 में police commission recommended uniform arrangement for the police. 1861 में police act was passed, in which they put the village police and railway police under the police. It was only a stopgap measure क्योंकि उस time पे railways were not being used by so many people. As I said, it is only 6,400 kilometers. In 1854, that is why I wrote 1854. East India Railways had already created that police. It was a private company. It was not government. So that is why I titled my article saying that before the regular police changed railway police. So 1861 Police Act में there was no other central police at all. Central police नहीं था. And at that time it came much later. Consolidation of police for better performance. उस जमाने में we need every state needs what is called coercive instrument. Coercive means I am not talking in a bad sense. जो laws है implement करने के लिए और जो violate the law उनको पकड़ने के लिए, that is why ऐसे coercive. दूसरा कोई नहीं था. तो they gave 22 non-police responsibilities in this Act 1861, like capital bombing, killing of stray dog. वैसा municipal वगैरह सब पुलिस करते हैं. अभी even now it is continuing. The other day only the Mumbai High Court has said that if there is an illegal construction of a building, it should be the police station which will for not by the municipality. Why are you leaving that to the police? It is not none of the police function. Police का basic function है detection, prevention, detection of crime, and maintenance of law and order. That's all. These are three basic police. दूसरा कुछ नहीं. लेकिन 1861 में इनको 22 responsibilities. Now, at that time there were 3 types of police because the railway was privately owned. What was jurisdictional limit of each British province? There was one police. And for railway administration privately without regard to provincial boundaries. And another police system in central province. So some, that was all merged. In 1871, there was another high-powered committee. Mr. Jha, in fact, I believe his paper is so good. I read that. It's a very well researched paper. It's my website, my hand. So then, what happened was that it continued. The first All India or Central Police was what is called Crown Representative Police. वो क्यों हुआ? Because 1857 Lutheran में some of the police British families were assaulted in the princely states also. So this was a British police which will be stationed in the princess for the protection of the British rulers or other their representatives. This is the one which came as CRP in 1947. Now, over a period of time, what has happened is that the burden on the police has become so huge. 1951 में various states started giving the enacting the police act. 51 Bombay Police Act passed over. उसमें भी 14 additional responsibilities like prevention of infectious diseases. Police are infectious diseases क्या? There is a rule, लेकिन उनका responsibility है. And I mentioned also, that the High Court has said that you have to watch the illegal construction. So instead of detecting crime, they will be going only at the new construction building. तो उसके बाद क्या हो गया? As the society was progressing, there were social responsibilities. तो उसके लिए hundreds of minor acts were, but सब उसका prosecution and detection cases it comes out the court. Like for example, Food Administration Act, Copyright Act, Untouchability Act. Then after 1990, various commissions started coming. Human Rights Commission, Minority Commission, Women's Commission, Lok Ayuta, Senior Citizens Welfare, Mohalla Committee, etc. So जब हमने ये 2611 का inquiry, when we were inquiring about it, we found it was a terrible state of affairs for people. Now, out of 40,000 men, 17,000 every day are on special duties like security, traffic, and even some VIP come. Or the other day we had Rohla Kappa coming, special security. Because some people will go and throw ink on her. And so he leaves only 23,000 men. Those shifted to 12,000 men. Then 2,000 every day they are on weekly off. So effectively there are only 100 policemen, and there are vacancies also, officer vacancies. 100 policemen per week. How can they keep vigilance on terrorists? How can they do all other things? Various duties. It's not possible. So that is why I was telling that you have to diversify your internal security responsibility, and then comes terrorism. When you go and attend various seminars, I once went to Delhi, India Today had order. And there was a brilliant army officer saying that every Thana should be a counter-terrorist. So I asked him, who will do the ordinary duty, registration of crime, investigation? Who will do it? No, the problem in India is this is the only country with this type of police. I am just telling you why our mentality is like that. Ours is the only country in which the central government has no responsibility over internal security. Central government क्या होता है? उनको directly intervene नहीं कर सकता. You can intervene once you take over the administration, but that is an emergency provision. Otherwise, you can only give more forces. CRP को भेजेंगे, BSF को भेजेंगे, and energy को भेजेंगे. But they have no direct responsibility, legal responsibility, that of the state government. And we have no federal police. Federal police is bilkul nahi hai kuch. Because, as I said, Schedule 7 of the Constitution, which we copied from 1935, it is the police and law and order is with the state. And the problem is, most of the police, the state chief minister, they don't want to part with the police. Because police is with data, everything. They don't want to do it. But they are forgetting that the country's security is in jeopardy. With that type of police, without overburden, by various other duties. But Delhi case in which, as I said, 10,000 cases have been postponed independently, is a static example. It's a breakdown of the administration. Now, what is the situation in other countries? You take Pakistan. Pakistan was part of India. वहाँ fully powered federal police system. There is an airport security center. They prevent all incidents at the airport. They can register cases, they can arrest people, they can prosecute. Federal Investigating Agency. अभी हमारा CBI cannot enter Maharashtra without Maharashtra government invitation or High Court. And in a case of Tamil Nadu, there was a explosion in a railway thing, and the train was going to Assam. Ordinarily, should have been handed over to the NIA. NIA is a new agency created after 2016. Lekin NIA also cannot come without the permission of the state. State government said no, or people will be investigate. So then there is another thing. National Highway Police of Pakistan It is an ideal, all other countries have appreciated them to be they are the smartest people. All highways are under them. And they will police, they will not have, similar thing happens in France also. France में gendarmerie है, Napoleon के जमाने से that police is there. The local police have nothing to do with the highway control. It is gendarmerie who will come if there is an accident, if there is some law and order problem. Similarly in Pakistan also, it is the National Highway Police. फिर Coast Guard है. या इंडिया में Coast Guard is under the Defence Ministry. They are not there. They are not under the state or anything like that. Under the Home Ministry. Pakistan is under the Home Ministry. Then Railway Police, full-fledged Railway Police. I will tell you the Railway Police Act. Although they follow the same pattern as India. They also had a GRP, but they have got a full-fledged Railway Police, which combine the work of RPF now in India and the GRP. So there is a total professional control over the security. Canada, Australia, Indonesia, Malaysia, there is what is called federal police. There is no state level police. Federal police ka branches hai. They suppose you know the federal police has got a branch in Quebec. Similarly, there is a branch in Sydney. Then in addition to it, there is municipal police. Local जो problems है वो municipal police भी है. Then in USA it is a totally different. वहाँ 16 federal agencies. 16 federal agencies का full-fledged powers. They got all the police powers. University police. Every university has got a police. They don't have to go to the local, like in Bombay. In Mumbai University there is some theft take place. You have to come to the local standard police or Vilipalli police. नहीं, वहाँ I will take it. There is a university police. वहाँ का there is the oldest police system USA में 1772. They started their postal inspection. That means that if there is a postal fraud or sending of anthrax etc., they don't have to go to the local police. That they will investigate. Similarly, park police. Big Washington DC में the Capitol Hill, which is like our Parliament House, is in the jurisdiction of park police. और White House भी park police है. वहाँ कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ तो park police आया. Washington DC police नहीं आया. And 17,500 local police in addition to the federal police. So that means that both federal police and the state police, what is called, there is nothing like state police in the USA. They will look after security. Each one will do their own work. In UK, 3 separate systems. That is England and Wales one system, Scotland another system, Ireland another. They have got 43 territorial police, like our states, small district police. उसके अलावा 6 national police, all specialized crime is there is a thing called SOCA. So they will do it. Then Transport Police BDA, that is very older than the Metropolitan Police. And they are full-fledged. That one, they immediately, their Home Ministry trade corruption in the thing also. They said nothing to it. It is under the transport. It is not BTA. 7 miscellaneous police and 4 non-police forces. Now, I'll just tell you some about Pakistan. See, Pakistan, there is a railway police, Pakistan Railway Police Act of 1977. They control the crime, protection railway property and residential colonies. All railway residential colonies are protected, and if there is any crime, it will be investigated by PRP. Section 5 through Section 5, all provincial railway police and railway watch and ward were transferred to BR. So, this is an example that we should also follow. And if the state people and center keep on saying that, oh, constitution में ऐसा है, Why did you amend 100 times Constitution? Why can't you amend one more time to facilitate 3 crore of traveling public? This is the union that you should canvass not only with the central government but also with the state people also. So wherever you have, tell them. And if there is any doubt about it, basically a politician is afraid that somebody will inquire. You can tell them your control over the Maharashtra police or Tamil Nadu police or Kerala police or Andhra police will continue. Only thing that in certain areas let the specialized agency take over. Railway जो है वो pattern you have to hold a study class for politicians or people who are getting elected, candidates etc. वो करना चाहिए. Pakistan में क्या हो गया? So the objective is safety of passengers and goods, protection of railway property, prevention, inquiry and investigating offences committed in relation to Pakistan. Completely, there is no local police will not come Pakistan and they report to the railway ministry. It is not under the Home Ministry or anything. And there is another advantage. GRP में क्या होता है? If you want to introduce something, उनके पास पैसा नहीं. The railway finally will do some local. If you are directly under the railway ministry, you will have no problem of funding. This is what Pakistan people are also saying, that we have no problem of funding in highways, for example. If you want some more speed vehicle or something like that, there is no problem. It is under the transport ministry. It is not under the home ministry. Home ministry have to beg the other people. No. Same thing here. UK, British Transport Police, the BTP, I think actually I forget, but you mentioned that particular railway system which had the railway even before Metropolitan, Robert Peel had enacted a law under which the London Metropolitan Police was started in 1859. So some railways, including underground, dockyard light railway, Midland Metro, etc., they are all under British Transport Authority. Glasgow survey, 6 million use the railway net, and because of this, and they keep a watch on crime reduction. The latest from 2014, they have been able to reduce the crime. Sorry, in 2014, they have been able to reduce the crime by 8% over 2013. So, qualitative improvement is also there. China, another country. There are so many other countries, I don't want to waste your time. 120,000 kilometers. This is the second largest railway system in the world. And it is under the Ministry of Railways, but operationally under the Ministry of State Security. Ministry of State Security cannot lay down policy. But since they are in the Security Ministry, they are nominally reporting to the Ministry of State Security. Lekin funding वगैरह under the ministry. Only one civil police force under the second. So this is the sum and substance of my research, which I have included in this. My advice to you will be, all of you, you see, because when you are not part of a union, you are bound by the public discipline and other things. You cannot go beyond and do the lobbying. But in this case, you are not a union. Union should do the lobbying for better professional, standard of the railway police. So, the solution is very clear. And if you want, I can prepare paper. I can do some research and give paper and give it to you. I can come and talk to the politicians also. Single post-retirement job. I am not canvassed for that. Even this 2611 thing was totally voluntary. Government did not even give me 1 rupee for being a member of the 2611. Mr. Pradhan Mohammed was the chairman. So, I am prepared to give my services to engage who want me to come and present the case before the politicians and others. But I think something has to be done because, as I said, Indian police is facing a big pressure. Thank you very much for inviting me, and I really enjoyed